Let me ask you a question. What you think? Is it very difficult to spend Bitcoin? 0.0005 to get the Bitcoin 1.82 in 28 days. If I could show you a way to spend 1 hour a day online, follow a few simple steps with few stages, you would earn 1.82 Bitcoin. Would you be interested in learning more? Do you know 4 or more people who would? 1. Begin with a purchase of Bitcoin. 0.0005 with 1 hour a day. 2. Follow the instructions and 3. Duplicate. If your answer is yes, then wow. Here is your presentation. Here is all you have to do.
Would you like to receive hundreds of unique visitors every day and any web page you like to promote? Would you like to earn real Bitcoin simply by visiting 10 or more advertiser web pages a day for just 15 seconds each? Would you like to get paid 80% boosted commissions over and over again to infinity depth and infinity width instantly into your Bitcoin wallet simply by referring a single person to this free to join traffic exchange service? Hi, my name is Frank Bauer, co-founder of Infinity Traffic Boost and full-time internet marketer for over 15 years. If any of those 3 benefits sounds
To get into the system, click register icon. Enter your email address. Then you confirm you're not a robot. It will open a dialog box. Whatever they request, you choose, and click the verify button. Then press continue button. Next step. You will receive the confirmation mail to your mailbox, which you used to register. Click the confirm link and confirm. Then log into your account as like you done before. This is SERP page, which you use to view the ads. Purchase icon for buy advertising credits. This is the share value pool icon. This is the timer. The timer is showing 16 hours and 42 minutes and 30 seconds. Before it's come to 0, you have to view many number of ads. More number of ads viewing per day, it will bring to many benefits. It is showing how many SERP rewards pool shares earned today. For example, you earn 10 rewards pool shares today. So, you will receive 10 multiple by the today share value. Say 10 multiple by 85 Satoshi, totally you will receive 850 Satoshi today. The green icon show that the percentage of commission boost activated. The system allows you to get commission boost from 30% to 80%, The advertising credits it called TPOs. It mean traffic package option. When you purchase the TPOs only, the commission boost value will increase up to 80%. This my current earning amount. Before you surf or view the ads, don't forget to edit your profile by clicking the edit profile icon. Step number 1. You can find your referrer's information on the top. Then your personal information, such as your affiliate link, your affiliate ID. Fill your own name and email, and choose share with up and down line icon. It will bring many benefits to you. Fill the address and other contact details. Then click the yellow button email security pin. You will receive the 6-digit security pin, and copy and paste into the enter security pin dialog box. Then click Save Profile. In Paid Options section. Here, you can choose what currency method you wish to get your earnings, such as Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum or Litecoin. Enter your coin wallet address. If you don't have any coin wallet, click the link below on the video. Then choose the option Use Earning to purchase TPOs your way up. I will explain later why you have to choose this option. As like first step, click the yellow button Email Security PIN. Paste into the security PIN, then click Save Your setting. Now you ready to earn Bitcoin. Remember that 1. Viewing ads. 2. Buy TPOs. 3. Advertising. These are the 3 sections you get earning through. 1. Click the Surf Page button. It will open surfing page. Confirm. You're not robot. Click yellow Start Surfing button. Wait for 15 seconds. And what color it is request to click that color icon. In this video it requests to click green color, so click the green color icon. You will get 0.25 advertising credits. Do it again and again. Until 100 ads or better result, watch 200 ads per day. As I explained earlier, if you viewed 100 ads per day you will get 10 Surfer Rewards Pool shares. I will show you, on next video, how to earn more money and maximize your revenue. How to purchase the TPOs. The fast track method that allows you to get the 1.82 Bitcoin in 28 days. See you on next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.